Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Welcome back to channel. Today we're diving into the symptoms of a bad alternator. The alternator's job is crucial for your car. It charges your battery and powers the electrical components while the engine is running. Things like your headlights, radio, power windows, and even your fuel system. The first symptom is warning lights. The first and most obvious sign of trouble is a warning light on your dashboard. Different cars display different indicators such as battery light, alternator light, generator light. The second symptom is odd noises. A failing alternator can produce some unusual noises under the hood. If you hear grinding noises, this could mean the bearings inside the alternator are wearing out. If left unchecked, the alternator could seize, causing bigger problems. And if you hear a squealing noise, this is often caused by a worn or loose serpentine belt, which drives the alternator. A slipping belt won't provide enough rotational force to the alternator, leading to similar symptoms as an outright failure. The third symptom is headlight problems. At night you might notice your headlights are dim or not as bright as usual. The lights start flickering or turning on and off rapidly. These issues occur because the alternator isn't supplying consistent power to the electrical system, which directly affects your lights. The fourth symptom is engine stalling. Imagine you're on your way to the grocery store, and suddenly your car just shuts off in the middle of the road. If you're lucky, it might restart, but the engine stalling is a serious issue. To run, your car needs air, fuel, and spark. Since spark and fuel delivery rely on electricity from the alternator, a failing alternator means your car won't stay running. The fifth symptom is dead battery. If your car doesn't start in the morning and all you hear is a rapid clicking noise, you might think it's just a dead battery. You replace the battery, but the next day it's dead again. That's a sign your alternator isn't doing its job. No matter how good your battery is, if the alternator can't recharge it, it'll keep draining. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't wait until the alternator fails completely. A bad alternator can damage your battery, leave you stranded, and even cause electrical failures that lead to costly repairs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.